So I'm going to do a 10-minute strengthening, sort of mid-afternoon strengthening. I've got a bolster for under my knees. We've got a band for above the knees. And if you need a little comfy pillow for your neck, we will start with some breath work and pelvic tilts. So we're going to draw the breath down into the tummy for 4, and then we're going to exhale and tilt the pelvis up for 4. Inhale through the nose. Allow the pelvis to tip backwards, massaging the sacrum, and then tipping up towards the face. Inhale. And exhale, tipping the bowl up towards the face. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to do some gentle marching. If you'd like to take your arms overhead, we're going to inhale, set the lower back down, and then exhale, arms come down, knee comes towards the face. Inhale, alternating the legs, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Exhale. Four more to go. Over time, aim for 3 sets of 10. Great job. Bring your feet or heels closer to the glutes. We're going to extend the arms overhead again. I'd like you to be able to just lift slightly. So just be able to get your hand in underneath. So we're going to inhale here and then exhale, gentle. Inhale, baby lift. Seven more to go. Inhale here. Tongue in the roof of the mouth, chin tucked down. Every time you inhale, press that lower back into the floor. Five more. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Inhale at the top here. I'd like you just to roll forward. So your chin is trying to touch your chest. You've got ripples in your top, and then just come back to center. So we inhale here, press that lower back in, and exhale forwards. Hold for 5 and back down. Exhale forward. So neck abs. Number 5. Exhale forward. Your feet hip width apart, still flat on the floor. You can inhale and try and move one leg out to the side against resistance on your exhale, and inhale back to center. Flatten that lower back on your inhale, chin tucked down, tongue to the roof of the mouth. Exhale wide. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly back to center. Inhale. Exhale out. Slowly back to center. Exhale wide. Inhale here. Exhale wide. Inhale and exhale. If you can, you can take your band around your ankles. Have your feet flat on the floor. Take your arms overhead. We're going to pull that band up as we lower the hands. So we inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep going. Naughty bands. Again, over time, we can apply 3 sets of 10. You can increase the band resistance. Last one. Great job. Coming to sitting. around the feet. We're going to row on an exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Elbows nice and close to your ribs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Building up to 3 sets of 10 over time. Squeezing back when you get to the top. Take your band in one hand. I'm going to inhale here. And then exhale and just turn. So you've got some rotation. We're looking at the wall behind us. Inhale. Exhale and turn. Going to swap hands and do the other side. Exhale round. Exhale round. Inhale. Nice and tall. Rotate. Coming on to all fours to finish. I'm going to have the band around our feet again, around the ankles. I'm going to pull our belly buttons up towards the spine. And then exhale one leg out. Hold for 5. Come back to center. Pull that belly button in. Exhale out. Wrists are underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Inhale here. Exhale, extend. 3 sets of 10. Try and keep your hips square. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Take the band off. Coming down onto your elbows and your forearms, sorry. We're going to exhale our way up and just high five the ceiling with your foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Inhale here. Belly button up to the spine. Exhale up. Keep your hips straight or square. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
come back and just have a little wiggle.
And we'll leave it there.